Hi guys, my name is Vladimir and today we will get to know the Welkin suite interface if you're in the coded development mode. The last time we have started on creating a new project, and once it's opened you see something like this picture. So let's take a look what we have here and how we can customize and work with this user interface. So right now you can see a lot of different panels on the screen, and the main one by default is the Solution Explorer. In the Solution Explorer panel you can see the contents of your project on your file system. Everything by default is separated into the default folders from Salesforce, like our bundles, classes, emails, layouts, objects and everything else. So you can very easily open any folder, as everywhere else double click, and open any file to start editing and working on it. Other than that, we have the test results panel that shows your previous test runs. We have hidden panels here, so these items are showing you panels which are docked but hidden. So Organizations Manager for Salesforce DX, PMD Report, Lightning Bundle Explorer, Admin Panel. Here we have the block of two joint panels for code coverage, error list, build output, find results. Separately near we have the debug logs panel for pending changes that shows you your changes that will be sent to Salesforce. We have scheduled jobs list that shows you list of your scheduled jobs in the organization. And near the Solution Explorer we have local history panel and static resources bundles explorer. So if you don't like this approach, if it's too much for you, you can very easily customize the panels that you see on the screen. For example, if you're from the Java world, or if you don't like the Solution Explorer on the right side, you can just drag it from here and drop it to any part of the screen. So you can just undock it from the application and it will be a separate window, or you can point it to any of these points which are showing you a dockable points. So it will dock to the left part of the screen, near with the admin panel and the wall block of these panels. You can also drag and drop the admin panel together with all of its panels. I'll drop it here. So I have my test results and everything related right here, while Solution Explorer will be on the left side. At the same time, I don't need these panels now for code coverage, so I will hide it, like unpin. And the same I will do for scheduled jobs and the whole batch of these panels as well. So just press Auto Hide. And all of these panels will be hidden, but still I can open any of them with just one click. If you don't need it at all, or if you think that you don't need it at all, you can just click close and it will be closed, it disappears from this list. Afterwards you can go to the view menu and look for any interesting for you panel right here. So I've just closed the code coverage panel, so I will open code coverage panel. Additionally, I can enable any other panel that is not enabled in the Welkin suite by default. For example, the command line panel, I will move it in the same position. I will dock it here. I can also enable tracking changes panel and let's say tasks list panel. So in this way you can play around with the Welkin suite UI and organize it in the nice ways that will be handy for you. For example, you can even open any files that you'd like to edit, undock it from the ID and work on it full screen. So you can drag it to another monitor or just work with it separately. Additionally, there is the option to work full screen at all, so Shift Alt Enter, or just from the view menu. And in this case, the menu will be small and your editor will be opened here. So if I'll exit the full screen mode, I'll open my class once more and go to full screen view. I won't see nothing except of my code. So with these options, you can reorganize your workspace in the ID in the way you like. And I hope that it will be handy for you, so that you can play a couple minutes with your UI layout and get everything of it that you'd like to. So thank you guys, subscribe to our channel, see you.